About to get ready to drain the oil out of this car, and welcome back to JC Motive Garage. So today, me and Caitlin are over here taking apart the AC and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we did. I'm also gonna show you some of the stuff that I bought today. So I bought a grinder today. I bought this. This comes with a 25-foot cable, so we can run it from outside out there and run it all the way to here. I bought some more PB Blaster right here. I bought a big can of it this time. That'll be good. What else did we buy? We bought a cutting wheel for that. I pretty much used it all. I'll show you in a second what I did. So I ended up cutting off one side of it, but my wheel is not doing too good right now. So yeah, see how I cut it in half, but this bracket under here ain't really doing anything, and I can't really get to it either. See those bolts under there? You can't even get them out. They're just too far gone. So I was thinking maybe if I put a pair of vice grips, I'll be able to twist them out maybe, or break them. I'm gonna try that next. But as you can see, last video we took off the cams, which are over here on the ground. Took those off. We started taking off the thermostat. Looks really bad. We took out the VTEC solenoid. We took out the distributor. And probably this video, I'm going to be taking out the oil, or draining the oil out the oil pan. I was trying to get this battery box out, but I don't know if that's gonna work out though. But we got all the AC lines out, which is really good. Got those out, and it also made a really big mess on the ground, but you know. We're going to be taking off the compressor down here today. We're gonna try to. I don't know if that's, but maybe. Taking off the header today. There's some bolts that I've been spraying for a little while. Those ones right there, probably 10s. Yeah, so we're gonna be taking this off today. And we'll see what else happens. We don't know how far we're gonna get, but we got one of the first things that I wanted to do today was taking out the AC lines. So let's get into it. Hey, so I'm under the car and I'm about to get ready to drain the oil out of this car, and we'll see. Looks like it's looking a little milky. Yeah, it ain't golden brown. I don't know. We'll see. But that's what it kind of looks like right there. That's what it's looking like. Get a little bit on my hand to show you. So it looks like coolant in there. It looks like kind of a greenish tint, I guess you could say. Like we said, there was 15 quarts of oil in the thing. So yeah, it's just kind of a lot of oil. So it does look, as you can see. Whoa, she got some more on me. Don't look bad, but it ain't like golden brown like it was on the dipstick. So just wait for this to drain. We started taking off some of these bolts off this header so we get it out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I already loosened up 2 of them, but I was just showing you what we're doing. Just trying to get it undone so we can take off the head soon. Hopefully Sunday we'll be able to, or Saturday we'll be able to take it off, but it's currently almost 10 o'clock at night, so trying to get this done so we can get ready to pull this engine out. So yep, so I'll come back when that's done. But the oil drain is all plugged up and everything. The oil, I don't know about the oil, but it didn't look bad. I think it was kind of milky a little bit. I don't know. We'll see if the head gasket blew on it Saturday. So that's what I'm gonna kind of work on. I want to lubricate the head bolts so we can get them off Saturday. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this header, and then we'll come back and I'll show you everything. The header. So I loosened up all the bolts. It was a 14, I think. Yeah, 14. For the GSR, they only used this one on the Type R and the GSR. They only used the 4-2, I should say. The 4-2, so that's 4 up here. It's 2 down below. If you can see it, see the 2 around there? Yeah. So here. So that's what it looks like in there. The exhaust was, or the gasket was pretty much done for it. But we'll probably get brand new, or we're gonna get brand new gaskets and everything. But yeah, so that's pretty much off. I'm gonna try and find a pair of needle nose, and I'm just gonna put this off, or pull it off, and then just drain all the fluid out. It's just dripping, so it should be good. Even if we have to leave it like that overnight, come back and the thing will be empty. So yeah, it should be good. Okay, so when we come back, we'll I'll let y'all know what you need to do to take off the compressor off this. But I'm not really seeing anything. I think this, getting rid of this and this will add a lot of room. So I think that's the next step, really. And then maybe in the next video we will drain the gas. Maybe I don't know yet, but when we come back, I'll show you guys. So we got the power steering off. We drained the fluid into there, and we put the power steering pump in there. So tomorrow we'll come back and get this off. It's getting late, so we'll see you tomorrow. So it's the next day. We're here, and today we're gonna get this bracket off of here. I just gotta find the right size. I think it's a 14, or yeah, probably 14 or 13 maybe. But yesterday I was having trouble trying to take this off. So today we're gonna try and get this off. This bracket does not go, this is a power steering bracket. This is a lower power steering bracket. So we'll see what else we can do, but so yeah, let's get into it. We're also gonna take off this too, the reservoir today too, the dryer over here, take off the windshield washer reservoir. So yep, let's get into it. So I'm back, and we got the power steering reservoir out and the bracket. Those bolts were just bad all around. That's still hot. Okay, yeah, that one right there. This one, but that one right there, they're pretty much done for. I won't reuse these. I would just go get some brand new ones. Pretty much every bolt in the car is going to be replaced, so put that up there. I'm going to label them. I'm going to label it. I lost the other one though, but That's fine though. At least we have one that we can go to Ace Hardware and just go buy one. So next is probably going to be taking out the reservoir. So that's what we're going to do now. So now I'm draining the windshield washer solvent into our bucket here, so we can take this out. Because once this is out, we'll be able to going to repaint the whole engine bay. So everything is going to be repainted in here. We want to make it look really nice, so we're just taking everything out. And the next comes the filter dryer. Thought it would be easier to take it out with the windshield washer. So there's a lot of windshield washer solvent in there, a lot. So I'm gonna let that drain, and I'll come back. So we got the windshield solvent thing off. The motors did not look too good. A lot of look at that. Probably gonna need to be replaced. I won't use them again. Probably brand new ones. Yeah, look at that. I doubt those would work. There's too much water. Been sitting in water for forever. Probably didn't even work anyways. So yeah. So we're gonna get this off next. Yeah. And then probably after this, I really want to get this off. So instead of this will come up. Maybe if I put a needle nose or a flathead behind it and pry up on it, maybe it'll come up. I'm pretty sure it will. And then we could always worry about the thing later. But yeah, so we'll come back when that's all done. Okay, so I took off, or I broke this bracket right here just to get the thing out, and I broke that, which is fine. I took out the filter dryer, nothing there now. The windshield washer reservoir is out. I'm going to start spraying these bolts so that when we're ready to pull the engine in like a week or two, we'll be ready to do it. So I'll come. So next, probably I don't know. Probably start taking out the center console inside the car so we can pull the trans. That's what we're gonna do first before we pull the engine. So I'll come back when that's done. So it's the next day here, and today we're going to take off the exhaust, the cat, and all that, going all the way back. If somebody wants it, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up a tripod and everything, and I'm get y'all under there and show you what everything, where the O2 sensor is. Hopefully it's before the cat and not on the cat. That would be bad. We don't have a O2 sensor socket, so we'll see. I'll take you guys under there. Okay, so we're under here. It's very tight, but I do not know what that is right there. It looks like one of those glass packs, but I doubt it. The cat's under there like that, and then it looks like it was brand new, but he welded on the old stuff. So there's the muffler right there, and he wants, we gotta take off this right there. We gotta take that off. Probably get me some of that. There's a gas tank. We gotta drain all that fuel out of there, all that. 8 gallons. It has like a half a tank, but it looks like it was welded right there, so I don't know how good that is, but you know. Okay, let's see. Cat. Gotta get under there, but there's kitty litter under there, as you can see right there, so we gotta get under here and do that. But we're gonna cut these clamps. Hold on 1 second. We're gonna cut those off with the grinder. Just chop them right down the middle. I don't want to mess with those. And next, I'll show you the cat and see if it's before. I think it's built in. I think it's on the cat though. But we'll see. I'll show you guys. If you can see right up there, oh, there we go, right there. The O2 sensor is inside of the cat. So we're gonna have to get an O2 sensor socket, which will be fun trying to get that off. But I wonder if it's just plugged in, if we can just cut the wires on it and then just let the other guy deal with it. That would be mine, but that would be my theory, but we'll see. I guess we can start taking off the exhaust. It's very tight under here too, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the muffler. So I got the thing off the muffler to the pipe, and I had heat up that socket right there really hot to get it off this thing right here. So next I'm gonna get this muffler out of here, cut those with the grinder, just chop them right down the middle, because we don't need those where we're going. We're gonna get brand new ones anyways. I don't wanna mess with them. Yeah, they're too much of a hassle. But the exhaust looks fairly nice. The muffler's like a stock one, so I'm gonna go ahead and go grind that off, grind all these off, and then the whole exhaust system should just drop. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're back. We ended up getting the one trash can off of there. So here it is. Here's our trash can. View of that, like pretty black, yeah. I don't know about that, okay. So the rest of the exhaust should be pretty easy. Got rubber all over me. It smells like burnt rubber in here, but whatever. Whatever it took to get that off. So next, we're gonna get back under there and we're gonna get the rest of the exhaust off. So we got the exhaust off. So we'll come back tomorrow and we'll get the O2 sensors out. If you like the video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Give us a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram at JC Motive Garage, and stay safe out there.